1600, 1600, 1600 on the SATs. Said they getting me an SUV. Just a couple miles from the lights of the city. Pour a little liquor in my Starbucks Vinny. Just 11, when they said I had the ADD. I've been trying to keep up with all of these great expectations, so I keep on faking. We're secretly out of control. Nobody knows it, but my mom's got a problem with oxys, and she's angry cause my dad's open store's always closed. But I stopped knocking, yeah, we're secretly out of control.
Last days last by the grace of the fire and the flames. You're the face of the future, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh. One friend left to sell clothes. One works down by the
What the hell was that?
It's a lot of money.
Watch out, fog reported ahead.
Whoa, that was a whoops. Yeah, that lane would be closed. Ooh, that's a bad accident. That is not what I expected that guy to do. I thought it was him coming out. I don't remember why I was asking this.
Maybe you missed Fallon's Olympic thank yous. We're going to start off an update first, however, with Jimmy Kimmel.
That thing is so broken, it flashes every single time. Every single time.
the low price of $38,000.
Dial Maryland 511.
Calling Maryland. Call ended.
Welcome to Maryland 511. Here are your current reported statewide events. I-695 Key Bridge is currently in Phase 3, full, winter restrictions. No house trailers or commercial vehicles are allowed across the bridge at this time. Commercial vehicles will be deterred at Exit 1 from the northbound outer loop and prior to the bridge from the southbound inner loop. Speed limit for passenger vehicles crossing the bridge has been reduced to 40 miles per hour. There is a closure due to debris along Maryland Route 7 east and westbound at Joppa Road in Harford County. Currently all lanes are closed. There is a utility problem along Maryland Route 97 south at Reedy Road in the Washington region in Montgomery County. Currently all lanes are closed for motorists traveling along I-95 in the area of the Tidings Bridge. There is wind restrictions on I-95 at the Tidings Bridge. All lanes are closed north and south. Please use the alternate route US 40 on the Thomas J. Hayden Bridge. There is debris in the roadway along Interstate 83, Harrisburg Expressway south at Exit 16 in the Baltimore region in Baltimore County. Currently the right two lanes are closed. There is a closure due to utility along Maryland Route 157 south at Searles Road in Baltimore County. Currently all lanes are closed. Baby RDIGU and speeds are exceeding 55 miles per hour. The bridge is closed to all traffic. There is debris in the roadway along US Route 301 south prior to Maryland 5. Currently all lanes are closed. Please use caution as you move through this area.
There's a tree down right
in the
there.
roadway along US Route 301 south
I didn't notice that.
Swanson Road. Currently the left lane is closed. Please use caution as you move through this area. There is a closure due to debris along Interstate 70 west at Exit 87. Currently the right lane is closed. Please use caution as you move through this area. There is a utility problem along US Route 1 north and south at Coddington Road in the Baltimore region in Baltimore County. Currently all lanes are closed. Nice BRDIGU and speeds are exceeding 55 miles per hour. The bridge is closed to all traffic. There is an accident along US Route 50 north past Route 550 in western Maryland in Frederick County. Currently the right lane is closed. For motorists traveling along US 40, there is an accident along Maryland Route US 40 east and west. Currently all lanes are blocked. Please consider alternate route. There is a closure due to debris along Maryland Route 259 north and south at Southern Maryland Boulevard. Currently all lanes are closed. You may expect delays as you move through this area. Please use caution. Currently there is road work on the inner and outer loop of I-695 on the Curtis Creek Drawbridge, with single-lane traffic in both directions. Expect delays during times of heavy traffic volume. Please use caution and stay alert while traveling along this route. There is a snow emergency plan in effect for the following counties: Garrett County with the exception of I-68. The Maryland Department of Transportation's statewide 511 Travelers Information System will be updated as conditions change. For additional information about roadway conditions, please visit md511.org.
God damn this windstorm. I've been out on a trip for the last 3 days, so I got back to my car just about 10 minutes ago, and I'm watching Waze right now, and it's telling me to get home. It's going to take 2 hours and 20 minutes to get to the Eastern Shore. 2 hours and 20 minutes. There's an 84-minute delay because there's a crash at the Bay Bridge tolls, allegedly. I'm guessing it's probably closed, but I can't get a hold of baseband. It just keeps going to a dead tone. The world is falling apart because of freaking wind. Mercedes, do you want over or not? There you go. This is nuts. Oh, traffic lights out. Yep, traffic lights out. That sucks. Everyone just, including me, I just ran a stop sign. There was a full-size tree over top of 2 lanes with the extremely wide shoulder. This wind is causing statewide panic. This is, I'll admit this is pretty crazy weather, but this is a little absurd. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, this is fun weather. Let's go. Let me in. Please, thank you. I'm about to lose my camera because it's been sitting for 3 days and like a moron didn't read the manual. Don't put the camera adhesive on a cold surface, which I did in 32 degrees. Don't ask why. And as a result, I'm guessing because it's warmed up and my windshield's been in the sun for 3 days, it's now causing the adhesive to pop off and yada yada yada. I'm about to lose my camera. That was a thing. This is nuts.
Thank you for calling the Bay Bridge. It's Friday, March 2nd at 3:24 p.m. Stay tuned for further information. Eastbound traffic on the Bay Bridge has been released. However, westbound traffic is being held due to high winds and major delays still remain in the area. Call ended.
The amount of places you see trees fell on the road and crushed the guardrail is insane. This windstorm is one of the worst I've ever seen in Maryland, other than like a hurricane or whatnot.
Tables and a microphone. It's the only way that I know, baby.
Oh, they just kicked someone off. They said they can't pass.
Remember you are never alone.
That guy up there is not allowed to get over the bridge.
Pass me by. And I believe in miracles. Won't you let me?
Don't even signal or nothing. Another tractor trailer that got told to, or was told to turn around because he's too late. 50 miles an hour trying to drive on an empty truck, not gonna be a good idea.